January o 14th mulinde teka gendo sera Akaruru kawo kurungi we barabara candidate member of parliament na ba level zona za hands ni mumanye chokora go and mobilize by speaking about yourself by manifesto ngeni cyo bakoyesa ngutu nyine manifesto yange ntubasabe kindi obutatamura ebipapura byabye simbiro because to realizing it there is tearing and the ordinary na kisara mu exana kihamu we call the defense na ya mwikisani na kisaramu na kirikao ogwa musango. And actually if you are arrested on evidence no chwa ekipapura cyo omuntu ano kitemura ni wakutwara mukoti no sura no tandibwa emitwarana pa ekipapura kimu ekyo tamwire oba kusiba omwaka o both. So tubaterera ne bajja kwesa ensinganto nizo ziba muri mpolipo ne baziteka on the front foot ntuterera ensinganto. You vote wisely. If you are doing campaign and you are supporting a candidate or muntu womu mubeho in the right way. The guidelines ekirungi tuboine abaire simbiro bona kamara bagenda nabo bakora meeting naba agents babu naki nabantu bagenda kozesa ekyo tumanye babagambire if there is any problem you as the aspirant otoikaliye mu rukurato wasaininga bakasaininga attendance na memorandum of understanding ngutwikirize campaign harmonization tujikirize yibora gamba Vicente Algenzere bukwali nene ndagenda bukwali kandi kuno kagamba iwe ne kuboli kasusu that will be new jakubotabwi otabangwire rally yoli and it is not right. Then echakabiri tusima tujagambira abantu nja kubagambira ikintu kindi itenka police tutairoho mu there's what we call political dexes but now we have activated it because this is the season tukazitani kakara nominations and what, and I know some people are being bakaba investigating how even now actually it is more active now. Reason is emisango ja polipo gibagiri morali that time of campaign zarare kurubata ekiro nambiro bya mirweja oli sana kwe tukasanga the last time campaigns abantu bakoraga self kidnaps na bro ngunyo bankwasiba kandi kuno agenze Kampala kumuraho because his agents tabagambire nibagenda ngo musata kagarukire the wife will be honest obo mukazi takagarukire ninge muntu anga nibeja the rush to report cases of disappearance kugenda koroti oli ali Kampala ngo agenze kusekurete ipapura bi obundi agenze kula banywani be namba yakuyaka sente kako kuteka mu campaign. So ntubatya no tricks, we know those tricks. People will do self-kidnap, but if it's a case, it's criminal to do self-kidnap on yourself. If we investigate and we find out, akaruka out, kasakoma, it's criminal, you gamangu, kisagama Vicente infiri, then you happy. Are you good? So, but this CID political desk, ero kuseruliza kuchondoza, how we started, it's a process. Tulimu campaign, nominations zikawa. Tuine kurgan paka voting even post after now tuine now tuchondoza misango because people come and report cases of bansingiri banyibiri, you know, then tuena kutereraro omusango guno kutsangire mugwa mu campaign muno bribery oba ekituga. I think is it like that kugaba sente oba ekituga koraki. So ntubasaba the disease from this comes from Waina Gamboli, nyo niwagura manyamizi. Ngurika ngura maizi. Wano enda gura maizi ugesa campaign. Galete maizi mu box ne bagaruwa ngo gahira abantu baganywira. Atarigama envelope buli aleja mu campaign mutwara. Baraba na ata transport. Akaruru iwano no urano enda kugira bafuna okubateka obayiho bateka mundi gumu batayi ni oramanyi. But we don't want money because now they are saying elections have akaruka fokereka sente zitumanyira amantu zibateka mu registration oba ezokubahandikisa ebindi. I think you are able as a person, I'm an aspirant as a member of parliament, oine amafuta gawo kakaplaningira, oine ba agents oja kubasasurota oba barabara koraga. How will you coordinate with them? What we don't want is arukurato wa Vicente milioni yemwe sera abantu 10. That is you are bribing the voters, and by law ntukimanya kurungi omuntu kusangibwa ogabire enguzi nyanjete enguzi ni wakutanza milioni 1 ana oba nibakusiba emyaka 3 or both omusango nigukoraki nigubakwata. So let us look for Akaruuru ka mazima. We are preaching of fairness, fair elections, fair. Why don't you act to be fair? Let us be fair to ourselves. Nyongambira abantu nyine mwa kadini. Obe dini. There is a book of Sirach, chapter 40, verses. So ninsaba inyo abagenza abatugena mpolipo nenyo mukola amazima aga abantu. You will progress njo umuntu ajagena mu kisanya nekindi akwa bakolireki amazima taba ibiri. So ntubasaba ngu ekina tukirole then tuinemu ekintu kyekukweta season ya polipo enobe from nowhere. I feel I'm not detached with this camp of this one. Me, I'm not a follower of this camp, but it happens only once in 5 years. But I'm going to live with Justin. I'm going to live with Ali for 5 years before election comes. We don't want. I always say we should preach peace. Overtake. Omuntu na ije omuntu ogomu nenda kutabangula ekyalo kiri mu abantu bisatu ba bibiri. Don't you think that person is very selfish for himself? Tukoma, let us go and vote wisely. Tugende tukoma abantu abakujja kutukora ekyo kubanza. Omanyi omuntu agamba government starts with that leader. Wala koma omuntu atali to the standard of the place you come from. Tujja kuyikala ugamba ekikala ekikasigara bakakoma abesimbira batakozeke abatainensa obatainemani. Mukoma omuntu who is knowledgeable about interests za abantu acharo oba mu constituents. Mukoma omuntu aineteka atagenda kutabula kandi araija atabule bakoziri abisise. No, that's why I've said you should vote wisely. So I have expressed it in those ways. Mukoma omuntu wanyu mumanyira ajja kubakora kandi weteka. For us as security, we want someone we can coordinate. Tuine mu challenge, security challenge. Can he mobilize for us abaturabe tugambe nabo yaba inaba aineyo meeting atuete security. We can give an input in security leadership because we want the murujungu tucheta. We want also the political will of security, but also we want to work with someone very well, coordinate team very well. Echaro cho abayireyo obusamba itikoba insecurity. We are very ready to come and serve because you have a leader who can push us, who can coordinate us, who can bring both abakomi security now together. So polipo nibyo nso kubazaho betu ntubendeza campaign enungi kandi maiki inputs or takeaways kulinda teka, being peaceful, avoid bribes, avoid tearing or kuyabisani bya abantu. Then chikumalira the youth should not be used. Ibara kukozesa omusana ajja kwesa wagene parliament iwo osigale mu nkomo. We shall arrest you. Me, I'm telling you, we are very serious. Our political desk is very, very open. Over akatebe kaito buli police yona that 11 units is between region. They are very active, headed by our district CIDs and the DPCs as their supervisors.
Ati afando balizeho ekintu kyogamba kuba ekintu kyokugaba enguzi rundi omuntu kumuha akasente ntorora some of the times abantu nabajja mu mabaro ku nuhoba ku akasente kakorabera inyo nkabe Eby'Okwerinda mujja kukora kikoroleke ekintu mwasaba kuba mukirwanisa.
Nkumbagambire ngo we investigate the political desk tuchondoza. We have now a department to crime intelligence over bambega baitu nibarubata. Actually, as a Vicente citizen concerned or Justin no kia no gena musango, I think amabara gatwine most of them have cameras. It's a matter of retrieving a camera to be analyzing. Ola sokwa alisamantena ina kwagura echokunyo which is a normal. But does it have an element of wewe no rugamwa Vicente gena mwa Justin rugamwa ali ijo wange. Nje tugambire voter violence and intimidation. You know, intimidation, people think it is physical. Na akasenta ako nikakuletera omutima ogundi. You're intimidating me by using money. It is not about that it's physical. Kuntinisa omuntu nakuleta sena zitekao nyo Justin ija mkampu yangi nyo milioni yao ngijao Is that a genuine kusera Karuru? So our crime intelligence departments bambega baitu baliyo crime intelligence all over, and we are not working any season ya Karuru tukolitwenga to in all stakeholders. EC na ine bambega bayo, we have EC police officers attached to EC nibaije you know sagamba just muntu izire mutawuni kandi kuna izine for the same aswagena mbana na obunna robata this member of parliament aro libintu byakora wena mana kwa report ye hikiri. When you bring it on the table, we have UPDF, I think a patrols, because what we don't want ekintabalizeo actually mukaru kina banyeberu kusingo obukuru campaigns zitandika saa hemu ya nyenchakara ziwasazinga 12 ni nchigaruka with a lot of respecting engana you in ebizindaro byawe because one of the things actually pollution. We shall have pollution, noise pollution. We have a department, councils and districts. We have abantu bajakulega reporting. That's why that thing is into Gambia and Chakara. Ebidongo yabitege kuingula saa 2 saa hemu kanwine ku masaa 12 ngole jaga nyumba inita. No, you can switch off those ebizindaro byawe nyencha saa hemu ine saa zona mpaka 12 obo biteka onka mukizaniro hotel byawe as long as there is no school, there is no market. Kando oli mukikaleke abokuba na harmonizing meeting muteka ibikaru byanyu ngukirokeno Vicente jakwandano Justina jakwanu chakabiri. Yes,
so leka tujya saidi yebzamu tujya kumaliriza mu region bigenzere bitawe kuba there was a case.
Yes, nyenda kusima abana bayita amazi cha musanju na senior 4 oba then kirokeno twine senior 6 etange kirokeno oba bizamu yakwita Uganda Advanced Certificate of Education batange kirokeno. But we've been having with them a journey for the last I think a month plus. We had a journey with them tukatanka na senior 4, and in that process we are the custodian of all twin stores in all districts. Nambe tukwindi Eby'Okwerinda ebukwa ni birubata we the escort. Now we work with also UPDF with the department ya military police bali attached on UNEB stores and movement kwa Eby'Okwerinda kwa escorting agenda mu papers oba kugenda kwa amana kule Eby'Okwerinda nyenchakara saa 3 na saa 8 tubaine. Then mu P7 senior Africa wa kurungi kwa chakatano we didn't have an instance. The instance actually happened on Tuesday in Bw'Akaruuru in one of the schools, and it's under investigations where 2 phones which were found out by a scout zero exam cha Chorujungu ningira chika Chorujungu cha after lunch Chorujungu, and we are coordinating with the UNEB team in Kampala headquarters by Friday Roho and Shachondo Sobta Gambia detail of it. But we got one incident in Bw'Akaruuru in a school which I may not say it because it is under investigations, and anything can so kwa chigamu chika tawaganyamu investigations zetu akuchondoza kwetu. But the senior 4s the same, we tell them we've attended the briefings in different schools on Fridays tukabagambia tukwenda abana bano bakwa masomo ni basoma bahumwire abazeire do your roles. Abana bitu aruga masomo batayinenda anaitwa aruga isomo batayinesirimo kabrebo munyerero naki batakunywa bitaba o kutokoza bongo. Let us play our roles as parents, but na abana nabo let them play their roles. Reason is nabagamba the youth oba abana batabo ni check sana kemiti ekibira cha when a forest has big logs or big trees buno buto butaito nibo tomorrow will be the next forest. So if you don't take care of these kids, a P7 umana mazene miaka 13 12, imagine she gets pregnant or she's a girl, she will not work, she will not be a productive person in the next kandido twine misango rape defilement nebindi.
So anyway, afande leka tumsibure hano habubwire betu nakusobora nko ku incident yabairo mu district ya Bw'Akaruuru hakintu kwatagana ho ebigeze byabane bali mukuhandika ekyalimu balimu mbacha gitondoza korora kike kyabairo kike kyaletiza kusanga esimu ezikabazuruhu pepe yabana ibabire bajja gukora kandi netya kandi nagambira mbwire buno butulimo butwatandika kirukino wa polipo nambera abantu bakujja kurugayo gambira abantu bintu ki abebembezi bakujja ku bantu babakora ebyo nakugambira hubo nka security bali ready omuntu wena waragenda akatagora exan kya mtahiwe rundi akakisisa rundi omusango gono goratu mu Rwenzori West bo bali ready kusobora ku bantu bakutwara bakakusibira inyuma nukwe okabantu gumizamu oli nagumzamu nasera Akaruuru ke baitwiwe inkensinganto ito ntusaba nenyo mube aherwo kumube rede mumanye ikimkwenda kandi mu polipenu inywe na besimbere ito nkataya rest ntubendeza obusinge kandi ntubendeza inywena no busingu zindi Justin Nyakaisiki live from Fort Potro.
Kare wibare muno Justin Nyakaisiki okuruga Fort Potro umurembo rwa Toro kandi yabare kutisa we kiganiro ejo naho tindaze kubigaruka mu byona akayire ko mishoho kuko nabagambire mu campaign zatandikira izoba tubaza kubayiseho etekateko kuzemerire bamwe abese imbireho bari gukora ceshaheji abatezi b'Akaruuru bari tekateka ki bari gukora ki bari expectinga ki nanabese imbire campaign bazitandika bata umuringo ni gugumu turaza kubiseho umukire ko misho hwaho aba kashushuri cyakare kambe mbasigure ha kace adakikisha tiziri kubure kukayika amajigo gashahina shazo misho turaza kugaruka kongera kuboreka ibiri kugenda omisho na munonga mu campaign no kuzatandika ninka haho birije ninka haho byatandika kubi byo turaza kuboreka hano hata ya West otarwa
bwo murembo muri Mbarara City ahi barukwereza breakfast ngakatogo omelette rolex shumbusha chapati chai yamate eyo